Yoba Nation, hi guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. If you come across this channel for the first time, my name is Yoba, my surname is Taza. I hope you decide to stay by subscribing and join the rest of my family. And if you are a returning subscriber, oh, I love you so much, I appreciate you so much. Yeah, yes, this channel is nothing without you, Kesana. Hi guys, hey Yoba Nation. Hello Etinacha guys, ndize Etinacha. In fact, my husband just came to pick me. I am here for a very personal reason, guys. I am not gonna share at the present moment. So ndifikele at my in-laws house, yeah, which is Etinacha. So Sizaya Etinacha. I just landed, so my husband came to pick me up. Yeah, so let's see bakwenzeka ntoni eBhayi naseTinarha. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this vlog. Hopefully you will like, guys. Please, at this very moment, please just like this vlog, even though you don't know what's gonna happen, because you know I always bring you nice vlogs. So please just do that, guys. Please like this video. So yeah, let's see uba kwenzeka ntoni ePE Urweni eGqeberha. Siyabulela nazi ezi calamari. I came specifically for these calamaris. Ubhanqekile uthanda gqithi uflyer alone. Sizomlanda ke singabazali. Hi PE. I haven't been to PE in a long time. Good night, guys. Good night. Already met a Yoba Nation, a Nelson Mandela Yacht Club, where we're having our supper. Yeah, tomorrow, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. How do you do? Okay. This year I wanna run, I wanna exercise. Okay, not I wanna join the gym, but I wanna run or walk or do home exercises.
You spend an extra 50 grand for that. Right, it's time now for the Porsche.
Put in.
No.
Makubeli pungeli nami. There's so much peace. Yeah. Thank you. Siyabonga. Welcome to another day of this vlog, guys. Ndikwanobuhle eTinarha. Kwanobuhle kwa VW. I didn't know, guys, VW is manufactured here. I honestly didn't know. Yeah, boo. Hi guys, finally arrived at Tinaga Kaizini Axemland. I've got a lot of subbies from Etinaga, guys. Please drop 3 hearts if you are from UTNH Kwanobuhle Etinaga. I want to see my Tinaga and love my Tinaga people. Send figile, guys. Makoti cuties. Oya kwabat man vasizitya bona alban figile. Yeah, ivakeo. Ito yasekhishini nangumthembu.
Hi vlog, subscribe, comment, share.
Uyayiva? Uyakupha usendele ukutya, guys, so ndiyamphumza ndimvasela izitya. Utya ntoni namthembu? Waqhapha.
A sausage
Yonke?
and bread.
Isula because uqhaphile apho nanguthali. Yo, uthali uyathandwa kwi-vlog. Ithi hi Yoba Nation.
Hi, Yoba Nation. Hi.
Akathandwa kwi-vlog uthali. Uyabathanda nawo abantu be-vlog baxelele uyabathanda.
Ngithandi atana vlog.
Uyabathanda abantu be-vlog. Uzohlalisa ulala e-kitchen masiba sizitya ke mntanam. Yeah. Thali ufike nini uvela emakhaya? Ufika nini uvela esidwadweni? Ufika ngoku? Hayi wena ubona naba. Udrive long back. Bana bedrive imoto. Bana bedrive imoto.
Gungunene.
Bedrive unele. Okay, kesana. Walala emotweni? Watyando? Watyando? Watya i-KFC? Wasela i-Coke? Yo. Bithengwa ngubani i-Coke? Bithengwa ngubani? Oh, unele uthenge i-KFC ne-Coke? Yo, asifana natya ke nini? Natya isweet? Yo, ebethengele uthali nabani isweet?
Bella.
No, Italian vele Coco. No Magnus. So baka ugqibile uzobulisa i-vlog. Ndiyakucela. Kaloku ndisavasa izitya ndizokubuka xa sendigqibile uvasa izitya mosi. Yho, ayisosikhwele kulugcobo thina.
Ababhuti phakathi bethu uJanuary.
KuJanuary.
Hayi kuyafika manje. Lento ubawula ukhethe uziphumelela elwandle ngomso wethu.
Hakho siselwandle bhuti
Hayi
phakathi.
ndiyanisa ngomso kanjani.
Siyabulela, siyabulela. Guys, let's sort this mess. Kumandi apha yonke into portable. Masikhawuleziseni. And then we are good. Bill Swino. Ngiyongele ave ngilahla ke mnani yangazi. Ayilahlwa le. Guys, kwenziwe ikhala apha. Kuba Netherlands. Amanzi wabhoyili. Ayabhoyilwa kodwa ingathi awoma. Nam ndiyafuna usela. Kwezi nyama kudala sizitya kula migidi. But mandimaqala ifakwe efrijini ukuze mna ndiyitye ibe bubanda.
Mama, mna ndithanda usela ke ngathi.
Ukubuza.
Ndithanda
Uphe
usela.
wase belinjani?
Hayi ngiyakha.
Hey. Masihambe nabahambayo so sala sincenga. Yini madoda ndipheke kangaka ndingasavezeli neyoba nation yam. Ukutya kwam ndisafuna ufaka inyama apha. Nansi inyama yam. Yi-mutton stew. Notata uchaza ngapha usisa elwandle. So this is my potato salad, my chakalaka. Bengicima nzayenza beninzi ke le chakalaka enye sihambe nayo elwandle but hayi ke. Then my rice there, my beetroot, as pieces zisel. Ewe thank you. And there is the final product. I was just short of putting a feta cheese here. Okay, green one. I was supposed to do is spinach, but nasi guys, asiko enough. So I'd rather not, yeah.
Came out of your way. You sat down to speak to me. What amazing grace that you show. So patiently, and you waited You know.
I begin to.
It's so special. All I feel when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know. Just so you
Kodwa mpela mashani. Robert.
for sure.
This is for installation.
Nizazibona apha kule Yoba Nation.
Minimum standard no.
Yoba Nation, let me take this opportunity and thank you guys for always taking your time in watching my channel. Ewe Mthembu, ndizakubiza just now ne ndiyaqhubezela upakisho. Ne? Okay. Guys, hi Tani. Oh, vala Itani. Okay, Diamiega guys, Itani. I wanted to take this opportunity and thank you guys for always watching my channel. I came here guys for personal reasons, ne? So my husband and child, they were at Umtata. They were supposed to fly down from Umtata back to Pretoria, ne? Johannesburg. But then because I had this thing that I had to attend to, sana ukukula, ukuba mdala, that needed me to come to a PE, right? So then when that happened, they decided to change their flights to depart from PE to OR. So now I'm gonna be traveling back to Pretoria with my family, my husband and my child. So yeah, I wanted to just say hi, and also I met a lot of Yoruba nations. But apetinaha. Love you guys so much. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. If we met, ngicela comment on the comment section so I can give you a love, guys. I love you guys so much. So yeah, let's go back to Pretoria, guys, and wish you guys a happy 2026. Yeah, let's see what this year has for us. I wish you guys nothing but the best. I wish all your dreams do come through. If you are a person who believes in prayer, please pray more. Please pray hard on this year of 2026. Have faith in whatever you believe in. Just have faith, and then everything else, just pray for alignment. Everything else to be aligned with whatever you wish to achieve on this year. 2026. So yeah guys, let's go back to Pretoria. Nazi ibhegi zethu ayobhege ngonyaka wonke guys. Ayobheg. Okay, my OOTD. I'm wearing the same dress guys that I wore when I came, because I wasn't intending on staying longer, but then circumstances forced me to. So yeah, this outfit, this dress was done by Abongile Solanga. So many years ago. So yeah, let's go back guys to Pretoria. Mtemu, uputa wonke, you can come. Kuyagodzukwa ke manje. Please say hi.
Hi. Comment.
Yebo. Thank you. Ungathatha ke Mthembu e-bags. It's packing time guys. Pakistan iziphi kwami. Banga ke guys, flightini. This is gonna be my jersey. That's gonna be my handbag. Oh, and this power bank is making life so easy for me. So asambeni guys. Please say hi. Bye. Bye Makulu. Bye. Ndiwase flightini ngofuna ukwenza OOTD yami kahle apha phandle guys. Ngathani ngibonanga kahle. Ndiwase flightini ngokumakhulu. I hope akuzubanda ke ave kubanda ezinyaweni andikho. I'm not taking. Can't pathe kwateki. Nangomyeni kanixhume.
Molweni bethuni tyafini umyeni kanixhume bethuna hasi abakhapha ngoku owozile baphindele egoli.
Ayiphelile yonke loo nto. Khawusithathe uyosibeke e-airport kodwa phakathi. Oh. Bye Tina. It was nice. Hi Yoba Nation.
Hi, Yoba Nation.
Unjani Thali?
Unjani Thani?
Hayi boss ubuza wena ubunjani? Hayi.
Yakanjani?
Uyaphila wena? Okay, molo yakupha. Ntombi. Papa yini maya? Hayi qhiya inhlawethu ngizoyenza isikhafu kungoba because aninajesu. Nje bolibha iqhiya Bye mazisana lwami. Guys, nanku mama Kamazi. You always ask uba ngubani umama Kamazi. Nanku ejonga ibhegi yami.
Imeze.
Yo.
Ntombi vlog.
Ichacha akhange ndiyithathe ichaji kula. Uyakufuna ntona kho kwanto sani ngoJanuary. Akho nix. December yonke into. Yo, akho kwanto sani. Ziyabhora. Iringi yami ayikho. Nansi ngawo. Abasemakhamaziphi. Sense yabona mani. Vlog ezikhonzi sokhwenda la nto ngikhona ibhasi. Ngibhala ngapha ebhayi. Yayiva. Alo 650 ezikhonzi. Uyathatha maya. Yo na 650 guys good. Tata maya. January uzawukhwela uyofika emsebenzini. Inalaqa ay mana ina 650 secaleni abasidansa ziyathathwa ibhasi serious. Ibhasi uyazithatha bona ke ngoku. Mina ngifumana kanye imali eyoba nation. Mara vlog. Italian. Hey, fumana umakhulu ke bona. Umakhulu makafumane shema imali yakhe. Nanga ayithanisa. Iphelele apha nginayo Ndiphelele apha shwele ndiyozithandekisa kumamazala wam ngale imali. Buyisele ebhegini. Hayi bo, yimani uvijola. Oh, hayi semgodo phakathi. Hayi, kaniveni athini? Yini umyeni kaniphume guys kuthiwa kudala ndimnika makam. Uze naloo bhegi ke yakho. Sigqibile mnango. Bye. Nongalinganiswa nawe phakathi kwabothixo akekho onjengawe. Yo. Hi. Bye, Tinaha. Bye, Tinaha. I don't want to be copyrighted. Kuna badlala music.
Ukuthi yabona abantu badala uyafika ngokufika ngo11 kuthe ngo2 kuyachayisa. Yebo. Hayi. Abe umuntu. Oh, yasenakala.
Sweet home, home sweet home. Ikhona into yakutya. Skaftina skaligcoba. Okay, at least. Home sweet home. Oh, I've been missing you, my bed. I've been missing you. I've been missing you. Guys, we're finally home.